Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to try to make another new scanner because a lot of comments they are asking about new scanners. So from their comment, I am learning day by day, and lot of indicators we are creating on the scanner, and lot of techniques we are using the scanners we find out, and such another great breakout scanner that I am going to create on this video. Again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. And lot of questions about my option strategy. So I am doing some advanced options trading strategies. There we are doing some 4 edging kind of trade and 1 naked trade. On that option strategy, we are not use any charts. So only purely price based strategy we are doing, and we have some scanners for that also to find out a trade opportunity. So that is the detail about that advanced option strategy what we are doing. We are edging with 4 different strategies, and I'm going to explain what I'm doing with advanced option strategy. So it's nothing about the advanced option strategy what we are doing. So 4 different edging strategies, 4 edge strategy, 1 naked strategy you are going to learn from this. So first strategy may be high capital, high return. The second strategy, less capital, high return compared to first one, and the third even more less, and fourth one is even less margin and high probability trades. So a naked trade having high risk, high reward concept. So 4 strategies we are doing on edging basis, and the class we are almost to 5 sessions. We done with the 5 sessions, not by one session we are completing it, and each session having 1 hour to 1.3 hours per session, and it's having a workouts you have to do the practice and how the system is working, everything you can do workout from yourself, and you can do that. So this is what my strategy which I'm doing on one-to-one basis. It is not a group class, it is about one-to-one basis. You can learn the strategies and you can apply it. Is a purely for a positional strategies, and second important thing, it is a positional strategies. And the second strategy we are using that intraday, right? So the intraday strategy is how to make a 2000 to 5000 in intraday in stock options. And also we can talk about straddle and strangle on that class. So that is about the classes, and some other classes like a 3-bar candle reversal pattern and hammer and shooting star reversal pattern, that is also working good. So that was a video recorded course, and I'll send you the scanner through the, after seeing the video I can send you that. These are the things. So a lot of questions about this, that's why I make you clear about the strategies what I have and what I'm doing, right? So these are my course details which I'm doing it right now. Okay. Let's come to the subject now, and here I'm going to find out a stock which forms like this. If any stocks which forms like this pattern, so there is a chances of breakout and breakdown. Will it be possible? Do you think about this kind of pattern which is forms in any stock? So if the stock forms this kind of pattern, so there is a possible breakout and there is a possible breakdown. So that we are going to find out through a scanner. If you are checking out many stocks, such a kind of pattern which is not we cannot easily find out on the reading the charts. Okay, so let's see, this one is keep on going like this chart, and this one is keep on going like this. But I'm going to find out the stock which is greater than symbol. So greater than symbol or a less than symbol, whatever. So this is what I think, greater than symbol. Yeah, it is a greater than. So if any stock which forms a greater than, would be the chances of breaking out or breaking down, will it possible on next day. So the simple pattern which I am going to find out, that is what greater than, and if forms today and it was a narrow price narrow, this is called a narrow price range. So there is, if any stock which forms this kind of pattern, there is a breakout for the next day or breakdown for the next day, will it be very possible? So that I am going to discuss here on this video, and using the scanners, I will create you the scanner on Telegram on the Chartink. So let's see this. Let's see this particular stock. What is that? TCS. That I am going to mark how it is forming such a pattern. So from here, it moving like this, and from the top, it moving like this. Let's see, there is a greater than symbol. Can you able to see the greater than? And the price is very narrow. Let's see, can you find out greater than or equal? Like this, the symbol is forming on TCS by yesterday. This will help you to find out such a great breakdown or a breakout opportunity. Unfortunately, this stock is break down this low, and finally it moving down very big. So we are not focusing for a positional trade, it's for an intraday trade opportunity. If you get some good profit of risk reward ratio, maybe this was a big risk involved in that. So such a kind of reward which is you got it, so you can exit from the trade. I will mark what was the risk and reward from the trade. So if I'm going to take the data price range, sorry, yes, from this price and this price, so 49 and 86, 3150, almost 37 point is the risk. By next day, market broken that level by opening itself. The first 15 minutes itself it broken down, and within a 4-5 candles it fallen down to 30,096, almost 36 point. Here it is more than 36 points. So after more than 36 point it gives you, then you can exit from the trade. This is what a trade which I am going to find out. So what logic? It's a simple logic where we are going to use that first 15 minutes of the day. First 15 minutes of the day, low and high, not broken till end of the day. So this is what the first 15 minutes range of last session. That's what on Friday, that is 25th. So that high and low where it marked on the day, it till end of the day it not broken, means there is a very narrow range in the price. Okay, tomorrow there is a possibility either it can break up or either it can break down. So that happen, so will give you to the profits. Right, I can tell you the concept. The first 15 minutes high and low should be the day high and day low till the market were traded in between the level. That is called narrow price. Okay, the price was not breaking the first 15 minutes high or not breaking the first 15 minutes low. If you find any stocks, that stocks would be the key stock for tomorrow's trade. That will be giving you such an opportunity. Let I show you, I think some stock VEDL recently very big move, and also something dividend, that's why it fallen down today. So almost 19.5 rupees dividend it generated. But you see, after opening today, it never broke the first 15 minutes high and not break the 15 minutes low. If I'm making the price range of the first 15 minutes candle, 244.90 and 238.85. This is the level it set at the first 15 minutes. But this level is never ever broken till all the day. Till 3:30, it never broken the day. So there is a chances of tomorrow we can find out for a breakout or a breakdown. So maybe used for a quick scalping profit also. So such a kind of stock we are going to find out by using the charting scanner. A lot more stock. So let I create you the charting scanner directly now. So you can for a create a scan, and normally used for a futures and high. the latest high, so not latest high, it is a 15 minutes high, it must be equals to the day high. EQ, this is the conditions, this is the what where we are giving you the conditions. Someone who asking about creating the scanner, they don't know which conditions they have. So if you know the right condition, so but it is a first, not a first 15 minutes, it's the current candle, but I want to use the first 15 minutes candle. This is what the first 15 minutes candle, and you can copy the save and the low of the day, and I can go for a, it must be a low. Hope you find out. This is what the scanner, very simple 2-line scan will give you such a big opportunity bar for tomorrow's trade. So only 2 lines. The condition is the day high should be less than or equal to the first 15 minutes high, and the day low should be greater than or equal to latest low. Simple. The first 15 minutes high should be the day high, and first 15 minutes low should be the day low. Simple concept where I'm going to run the scan. You got it. How many stocks today? BDL. Oh my, Hero Motor, 𝐂𝐶, Maruti. Let's check it out. Hero Motor. Oh, we got it. This is a big candle in Hero MotoCorp. I think somewhere I marked here Hero MotoCorp. From this point to this point, it never broken the first 15 minutes range. Very narrow. And if it is broken tomorrow, maybe good chances. If it is not broken, there is another chances. Here also, can you see this day at 20th July, again the same day where it is not broken, but on 21st where it is broken the high, and it went up to somewhere else around 2854 from the high of 2838, right? So there is a big gap between the stock, but it never ever broken the high and low. And Hero MotoCorp, 𝐴𝐶, Maruti, means there is a very narrow today 𝐴𝐶 big candle, but after that there is no movement. It was very flat. If it is broken this low, we can go for. If it is broken this high, we can go for a buy. But it is a big stop loss. If it has broken the entry, we can keep this that much of stop loss. Don't want to such a big stop loss trades, so avoid. And Maruti, IOC, Hindustan Petroleum. So these are the stocks not performed well. Very narrow after first 15 minutes open. This was, and Maruti Suzuki. So here the highest range is 8625, the lowest range is 8467, 86, almost 200 point in first 15 minutes, and then it never moved after that first 15 minutes, almost near about 175 point to 200 point, but after that it never moved. But if you find out such a kind of stocks, there is a big opportunity for tomorrow's trade. That is why I'm discussing this scanner is very good, and you can practice. And IOC, Hindustan Petroleum, Ambuja Cement, lot of stocks. Ambuja Cement is currently moving very good, but today it is very flat. This is the range from 371. The low of the day is 368. Till it was trading very narrow in the range. But tomorrow there is a opportunity. If it breaks that level or breaks that level, the key point is greater than symbol. This looks like a greater than symbol. Will it be a greater than for our next trade? So I hope this is what the scanners you can make use of it, or you can add some values on that, and you can add any conditions even to work better. And if you save this scanner, we can go to back testing, right? But this will not repaint, because we are taking closed price of yesterday, right? This is not repaint. We are taking the closed price of yesterday. So let me save the scan. We give the name breakout stocks for tomorrow. So you can search retail and yes, thanks for your subscribing my YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed, just subscribe the channel. So you can search with this name. You will be getting the scanner. You can copy and you can make use of it. I submitted. So let me go for a previous data, and this was having huge stocks. And 25th July, BL 2025 BL. Let's see BL on 25th. What was this? and this was the entry point, or this is what entry point, where it is broken the low of 268. The high was 274 6 rupees, and it fallen down to 263, almost 68 to 63 5 rupees, but our stop loss is 6 rupees. But till if you are holding end of the day, it will ending with a profit only. And 𝐂𝐻𝐽𝑗, let's go for a 𝐂𝐻𝑽𝑗. ESC 𝐂𝐻𝑽𝗏 25th, or it is, this was the 25th, the time wallet 22nd. Yeah, this was a big stop loss. Simply ignore. It's a very big stop loss. Ignore that. But even though it gives you entry, but never trigger your stop loss, but it was ending with a loss. But I initially told you, if you are facing any big stop losses, simply avoid, because we are not in the position to trade. We are in the positions to make profit. Right. So the risk should be in our control. The small risk would be best and better for every trades. Trend HAL B soft, HAL 25th. This was the 25th, and yeah, you see that there is also another 40-point stop loss on HAL. This is what the highest level, and this is what the lowest level. The stop loss is not triggered, but your entry got triggered, and by today's opening, but after that it started falling down. But it not trigger your stop loss. If you are taking a big stop loss, we are going to lose big, right? So small stop loss will always be helping to make big profit. Be soft. Yeah, this one is a very small stop loss of 35 to 35 rupees, where it is broken down that 5 rupees of 330 and fallen down towards 317. Okay, good. And TCS, that already seen. Sun TV, Mindtree, Idea, Sun TV. Sun TV, what happened? Yeah, it is in bullish mode. Let's see the how much risk is there. Very small, around 445 to 438, 6 rupees, and it broken today opening itself, and then it went up to huge 481. So if you are taking small risk, our risk reward ratio we can increase a big. If you are taking a 70 point, 80 point risk in a single trade, how you can make 1:2, 1:3, 150 points, 200 point movement. So that's not good. And Mindtree, Idea is a very low value stock. I'm not going to focus it out. Mindtree, that's perfect. Mindtree 3210, 3150, 40 points. There is another 40 points is the big one. But if you are taking a risk, there is, it moved down to almost from 3150 to 3030, 3036, almost 120 point, more than 1:3. Oak, good. The scanner 21st. PEDL, Ara Pharma, Syngene. PEDL again. This was tomorrow, and 21st, where it is 21st. Sorry, 21st 7 here. This one very small. The high is 255, low is 251, 4 rupees. The next day opened and it went up to 260, 4 rupees gone. And Ara Pharma, Syngene Pharma. Let's, I hope you understand. This is the 21st Ara Pharma. It may be a stop loss. Yes, this initially broken that high and your stop loss got triggered. So this was a stop loss trade, but after the stop loss it keeps moving down. Good. Reversal, we may try reversal. And Syngene, just one. It's also another kind of trade where it is triggers you entry initially and it triggers you stop loss. After stop loss, it may be having the chances to recover your thing, and it fallen down very big. So there is a good opportunity using the scanners and screeners. So this is what a screener you can make use of it. This is the name breakout scanner for stock tomorrow. So you may use the scanner for, you can copy and paste it as per your you can use. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, you can like the like button. And if you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.